Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So I have purchased this Ultimaxx 72-inch tripod for my Canon DSLR camera. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see what exactly it is. So this is the package I have over here. I purchased it online and this was delivered to me. So inside this I have got, oh, I need to pull it up. Okay, here we go. I have this backpack kind of cover, as you can see, and now inside this I have this tripod. I'm gonna pull it out. So this is a good one. Like, I have a hanger kind of stuff here, so I can even put on my shoulders if I want. Alright, now I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna remove the plastic bag, take out the actual tripod. So as you can see, now it's time to make it stand. So basically the height of this we can adjust based on our requirements. So based on whatever distance or height you need to take the pictures, you can adjust. Right now I'm trying to adjust it. Okay, now it's happening. Now if you want to extend the height, we want to rotate this. See, okay, so this is the maximum I can move up this holding rod. Now what if I want more height? There has to be way, right? Because this doesn't look 72-inch anyway. So the answer is, like, you see these two locks actually work. I'll show you how they work. So I've just put it on ground for just in order to show you. So this is the first lock, there's a second lock. The moment I do this, I can extend it and wherever I want, and then I can lock it over here. I can lock here as well. Same thing I can do for all three legs. It's important that you adjust it. Okay? Generally people need put it at the same height, but it's your requirement. If you want, you can even have varying height if you really want to do such photography. Okay, so the tripod is ready. Now this tripod is standing. In this panel we have to adjust the camera. That I'll come in a different video. Basically we use this here to hold the camera, DSLR camera. If you have anything like your cell phone and all, you can adjust it over here. So I'll come into that video in a different, for that I'll publish a different video, but this is what it is and it is really good. I have shown you like how you can adjust the height. Right now it is on a tilted inclination, but it can be changed based on your requirement. So that is how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always free to ask. Thank you, guys.